How to hide navigation bar on Android phone and switch to gesture navigation for a cleaner, full-screen experience. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap System and Updates. Next, look for System Navigation and tap on it. Here, you'll see the available navigation options. If your phone is currently using buttons or 3-button navigation, switch to Gestures or Gesture Navigation. Once you select Gesture Navigation, the traditional navigation buttons at the bottom of the screen will disappear. You can now navigate using simple swipe gestures instead. For example, swipe up from the bottom to return to the home screen. To go back, swipe inward from either the left or right edge of the screen. And to view your recent apps, swipe up from the bottom and hold for a moment. If your phone shows an option such as gesture hints or navigation bar, you can also adjust that setting, depending on the options available on your software version. And that's it! You've successfully hidden the traditional navigation bar and enabled gesture navigation for a cleaner, more immersive screen. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and useful Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.